Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Lio and Lia Podcast. I am Leo.
And I am Leah. Welcome, everyone. Whether you are listening in the morning, the afternoon, or maybe you are in bed right now.
If you are in bed, stay there. Get comfortable, because today we have a very special topic.
We are going to spend about 15 or 20 minutes talking about a secret, the secret to a happy life.
Ooh, a secret. I love secrets. Tell me, Leah, what is the topic?
The topic is, do this tonight to wake up happier tomorrow.
Wait a minute. You mean my happiness tomorrow depends on what I do tonight?
Exactly. Many people think the day starts in the morning, but actually, the day starts the night before.
That is interesting. I usually just crash into bed and sleep. Boom, finished.
Many people do that. But today, we will use our critical thinking. We will look at your evening routine. We will talk about your phone, your clothes, your thoughts, and how to prepare for a great morning.
Listeners, are you ready to change your night? Are you ready to wake up with a smile? Let's get started.
So, Leo, let's talk about the biggest problem, the sleep thief.
The sleep thief? Is there a robber in my house?
No, the thief is in your hand. It is your smartphone.
Ah, guilty. I am guilty. Every night I get into bed, I put my head on the pillow, and then I check Instagram, just for 1 minute.
And does it stay 1 minute?
No, never. 1 minute becomes 10 minutes, then 30 minutes. Then I'm watching videos of cooking pasta at 1 a.m.
This is very common. We call this revenge bedtime procrastination.
That is a big phrase. Can you explain it?
It means you feel busy all day. You work, you study, you have no time for yourself. So at night, you want me time. You want to have fun. So you stay awake.
Is this fun actually good for us?
No, it is bad fun. The light from the phone is called blue light. It tells your brain, wake up, it is the sun, it is daytime.
So my body is in bed, but my brain thinks it's 12 p.m.?
Exactly. So you sleep badly, and when you wake up, you are grumpy. You are tired.
Okay, listeners, we're talking about phones. I have a question for you. Be honest.
Do you sleep with your phone next to your bed or in another room?
Answer out loud. My phone is...
If you said next to my bed, we have a challenge for you. Try to put it in the kitchen tonight. Just try it.
Buy an old alarm clock, like your grandmother had. Ring, ring.
Okay, so step 1 is put the phone away. Now, let's talk about step 2, the tomorrow list.
Just to remind our listeners, we're talking about things to do tonight to be happy tomorrow. What is a tomorrow list, Leah?
Well, Leo, do you ever wake up and feel stressed? You think, oh no, I have so many things to do.
Yes, immediately. I open my eyes and I feel panic. Where are my keys? What clothes should I wear? Did I do the laundry?
This panic destroys your morning happiness. You can stop this panic tonight.
How?
Before you go to sleep, take a piece of paper. Write down 3 things you need to do tomorrow.
Just 3?
Just 3. Maybe go to the bank, call mom, study English.
Why does writing it down help?
Because your brain can relax. Your brain says, okay, the information is on the paper. I don't need to remember it. I can sleep now.
It's like taking a heavy backpack off your shoulders.
Exactly. And also, prepare your clothes.
My clothes?
Yes, choose your shirt and pants tonight. Put them on a chair.
Why is this important?
Because in the morning, your brain is tired. Making decisions is hard. Blue shirt, red shirt, green shirt. It uses energy.
Ah, so if I choose tonight, I save my energy for important things.
Correct. You are being kind to future Leo. You are giving him a gift.
I like that. Listeners, look at your room. Can you choose your clothes for tomorrow right now?
Tell us, I will wear...
Okay, listeners, we are deep into our topic. Do this tonight to wake up happier. We talked about the phone, we talked about the list. Now, let's talk about the mood.
The feeling, the atmosphere. Leo, what does your bedroom look like?
Well, it has a bed and a window.
Is it messy? Is it clean? Is it bright?
It's a little messy. Sometimes I have books on the floor.
Your environment affects your sleep. You need to create a sleep cave.
A cave? Like a bear.
Yes, bears sleep very well. A sleep cave is dark, very dark. Cool, not too hot. Quiet.
I like it cold. I like to have many blankets. It feels cozy.
That is perfect. If your room is hot, you will have nightmares. If your room is messy, you will feel stress.
So, before bed, spend 5 minutes cleaning. Just 5 minutes. Pick up the socks, close the closet door.
Why does a clean room make us happy?
I think it makes us feel calm. When I see a clean floor, I feel like I'm in a hotel.
And everyone loves hotels. Listeners, is your room dark enough?
If you have lights from the street coming in, maybe you need curtains or an eye mask.
I wear an eye mask. I look funny, but I sleep like a baby.
Now, Leah, we have prepared the room, we put the phone away, we are in bed. What do we think about?
This is the most important part. This is the gratitude practice.
Gratitude. That means saying thank you.
Yes, many people lie in bed and worry. They think about their mistakes. Oh, I said something stupid today. Oh, I made a mistake at work.
I do that. I replay my mistakes like a movie. It makes me sad.
We need to change the movie. We need to play the highlight reel.
What is a highlight reel?
Think of 3 good things that happened today.
Even if I had a bad day?
Yes, even on a bad day, there are small good things. Maybe the coffee was delicious. Maybe the sun was shining. Maybe I listened to the Lio and Lia podcast.
That is definitely a good thing.
When you think about good things, your brain releases happy chemicals. You go to sleep smiling.
And if you go to sleep smiling, you wake up smiling?
Exactly. It's science.
Listeners, let's practice this right now. Close your eyes for a second. Think about your day today. Find one good thing.
Just one. Did you eat something nice? Did you see a friend?
Say it out loud. Today, I liked.
Beautiful. Hold that thought. Keep it in your heart.
We're almost finished with our 15 minutes of productive English.
Time flies when we are having fun. Let's review. What is the recipe for a happy tomorrow?
Ingredient 1, no phone. Put it in the kitchen. Stop the blue light. Ingredient 2, the tomorrow list. Write down 3 tasks. Ingredient 3, the clothes. Choose your outfit tonight. Ingredient 4, the cave. Make your room dark and tidy. Ingredient 5, gratitude. Think of 3 good things.
It sounds like a lot of work, but actually it only takes 10 or 15 minutes, and the result is you wake up feeling like a superhero.
Is it worth it? Is 15 minutes tonight worth 16 hours of happiness tomorrow?
I think the answer is yes, absolutely yes.
Listeners, we want you to try this tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight.
Be an experimenter. Try it and see if you feel different.
Before we go, we want to thank you for listening. You are taking time to improve yourself. That's wonderful.
You are not just learning English, you are learning life skills.
We have a question for the comments section.
Yes, please tell us, what is your bedtime routine?
Do you read? Do you drink tea? Do you count sheep? 1 sheep? 2 sheep? Boring.
Tell us in the comments. Write simple sentences. I read a book. I drink milk.
We love reading your comments. It makes us happy. It's part of our gratitude list.
That's sweet, Leo. Okay, everyone, it's time to say goodbye.
Have a wonderful evening, sleep well, and wake up happy.
Sweet dreams. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good night or good morning. Bye.